To add a rate to a customer, begin by selecting the customer. Open the customer menu. Select the customer. Select Rates from the customer's menu. Click Add Rate. If rate templates have not been created, the content of the rate templates drop-down list will be empty. Select the service item that the new rate is associated with. Enter the name for the rate. Next, we will enter a rate, which is the cost per hour. The status for the rate defaults to active. If accounting software is integrated, the associated rates are listed in the accounting integration section. Click Save to add the new rate. The new rate is added, and a confirmation appears at the bottom of the screen.